Here we are. Hello, Lorna and I are. Where are we?
We're in the forest. The
Hoh, the Hoh Rainforest.
that's H-O-L-H?
H-O-H.
No, H-O-L-H.
H-O-H. Rainforest. In Olympic National Park. And this is only a taste. We are in what is called the moss. What did they call this?
Moss
The moss
Trail.
canopy trail, something like that. And you get to see things like this. You see, look at that. Look at all that moss.
So the maples are the ones that completely cover the moss.
Yeah, for some reason it seems to like maples even more.
The